Hello traders, in today's video I'll be talking about the common mistakes in over-under trading. So please listen carefully and please avoid them. And as I start classes on ongoing, WhatsApp me if you're interested. Now, first of all is over-leveraging. What do I mean? Many traders stake too high relative to their account balance. Okay, one bad streak wipes the entire account. For those who watched my previous video, I was talking about the fastest way you can blow a $1 account. Alright, because most traders, they tend to stake so high, more than even 60% of their account. So it means one bad trade, one loss wipes their entire account or severely injures the entire account. So please do not over leverage. No matter how experienced you are, don't over leverage. Okay, basically staking too high relative to your account balance. Now the second thing, let me select over under so that we can be able to see what you're speaking about. Amazing. Now the second thing is no money management. What do I mean? Risking the same amount on every trade without a plan often leads to blowing the account quickly. All right, so please have a plan on how you'll be staking, okay, to avoid blowing your account. If you don't want to blow your account, again, I made a video yesterday. I'll link it in the description. Please ensure you check it out. Okay, the other thing is chasing losses. Now, trying to recover from a losing trade by doubling the stake, okay, often backfires in the long run. All right, I know the martingale is one of the most helpful factors while trading, but actually the martingale is responsible for more than 90% of blown accounts. So even if you're using martingale, ensure you are careful and ensure you use it in a way that you will not end up blowing your account. Okay, ensure even if the martingale is 2, 3, or 4, your account will still be sustainable even if you incur a loss. The other thing is trading without a tested strategy. Listen carefully, guys. Entering over under randomly without analyzing probability, patterns, or historical outcomes is basically gambling. If you know you trade over under without any strategy, you are not trading, you are gambling. And that is why you hear some people saying trading is gambling, because they do gamble. They come to trading without any strategy and they expect to win. How? You have to come with a strategy so that at the end of the day, you will not be gambling. Anytime you're doing trading without a proper tested strategy, you are gambling because you are staking your money without understanding how to multiply it. And that is basically gambling. All right, that is why you say before you start to trade, ensure you understand this platform in its entirety. All right, don't rush to start to trade. Rushing will often lead to disaster when it comes to trading. Okay, I hope that is clear to everyone. And the other factor is ignoring streaks. Okay, markets can go on long streaks, e.g. multiple overs in a row. Ignoring this leads to frustration and poor decision making. Again, ensure you have a tested and proven strategy so that you can avoid this. Okay, the other factor is lack of discipline. Now, jumping in and out of trades based on emotions, fear of greed, instead of sticking to rules, causes inconsistency. Ensure you have discipline. Set a target profit, set a stop loss, which when hit, you will not proceed trading. Okay? Now, the other factor is trading during wrong market conditions. Now, some volatility indices have behaved erratically at certain times. Trading without knowing the best time increases losses. Again, I made a video about the best time to trade volatilities. Please ensure you go and watch that video. It is on the channel and I'll link it too in the description. Okay, and when you do that, guys, when you avoid those mistakes, you will be profitable in over under. All right, so please avoid these mistakes when you're trading over under so that you can avoid making losses. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching until the end. Guys, keep trading, keep pushing. If you have a question, WhatsApp me or contact me. I'll be here to help you. If you need amazing bots, if you need amazing materials, if you need classes, again, WhatsApp me. I'm here to help you out. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching until the end. Keep trading, keep pushing, and let us meet in the next one.